Okay. You're going straight to jail.
Doobie climbed all the way up there, slid in this little tiny thing, and I was stuck.
But these cats still don't want to stand on the concrete floor because it hasn't warmed up yet. Look at this cat.
Bean. Oh my god, you're so funny.
Woo.
You can't block the door. We have to go, Ghost. Ghost, Balayage, Platinum, 613. We have to go.
Yep, I need to get a bigger bench. This looks like Pervert's Row with freaking